Welcome to our tutorial series where we dive into .NET development, exploring Andromeda's capabilities to turn ideas into reality. Before we start, let's talk about .NET, one of the most powerful development tools in Andromeda, a project that shows what you can achieve with this technology. This series invites developers of all levels to join us in building this platform, step by step. I am Thiago, a tech and innovation enthusiast, and I'll be guiding you through this series. Andromeda is a platform designed to enrich your digital experience, integrating features like task organization, financial control, goal settings, and a space for blogging, a complete tool for organization and productivity. In the next slides, we'll detail Andromeda's features, from organization products with a common system through an intuitive note-taking module to managing finances and setting goals. We also discussed in creating a space to share knowledge through a blog. For each feature, we'll have a dedicated tutorial showing how to implement from scratch and integrate into the Andromeda project using .NET and Angular. This will be a practical and interactive learning experience, ideal for those looking to deepen their software development skills. I hope you are excited as I am to get started. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to follow every step of Andromeda platform we develop. The next video will start by setting up our development environment, laying the groundwork for our project.